Welcome to Biogenesis. After glycolysis, several students asked through social media, Sir, why ATP when breaks ADP plus PI? What is the meaning of PI? And how the phosphorus release? This is a question from you, from various students. This question was there. So therefore I think I will clarify the question. I know this is not up to the 11th or 12th, but for honors student it's okay. But 11th or 12th, you just have to have an overlook over this. Okay? Nothing to by heart over this. So we will clear what structure of ATP. So what is the full form of ATP? Adenosine triphosphate. So what is the full form of ATP? Adenosine triphosphate. That means if we will add 3 phosphates in adenosine, it will become adenosine triphosphate. So what is adenosine? Students, you remember, adenosine is a nucleoside. Adenosine is a nucleoside. In your biomolecule chapter, 11th class NCERT, that was clear that what is nucleoside? Nucleoside is a nitrogen base plus sugar. What is nucleoside? Nucleoside is a nitrogen base plus sugar. So what are nitrogen base? Nitrogen bases are the ring structures present in nucleic acid. There are 2 types of nitrogen bases. One is purine and another is pyrimidine. One is purine, another is pyrimidine or pyrimidine. Purine is of 2 types, adenine and guanine. Pyrimidine is of 3 types, cytosine, thiamine and uracil. So again we will go, students ask about ATP. ATP, the full form of ATP is adenosine triphosphate. What is adenosine triphosphate? Adenosine plus 3 phosphates. Now adenosine plus sugar is equal to adenosine. Sorry, adenine plus sugar is equal to adenosine. So when we add sugar in nitrogen bases, it will form what? Nucleoside. If we will add purine with a sugar, then the suffix is shin. Like if we will add sugar with adenine, adenosine. If we sugar with guanine, guanosine. But if we will add sugar with pyrimidine, we will got the nucleoside having the suffix. What is that? Dine. For example, for cytosine, cytidine. For thiamine, thiamidine. For uracil, uridine. Okay, so now we will draw the structure of what? Adenosine triphosphate. So students, we will first clear about the phosphorus or phosphoric acid. The phosphoric acid present in ATP is H3PO4. You know the formula. So the structure is like that. What is the valency of P? 5. And then O number is 4. H number is 3. This is the structure of what? Phosphoric acid. Then we will go for the structure of what? Nitrogen base. That is adenine. We will go through the structure of what? Adenine. We will go through the structure. So students, this is the structure of what? Purine. I have told you nitrogen bases are of 2 types, purine and pyrimidine. Purine is of 2 types, adenine and guanine. This is the ring structure of purine. Numbering is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So what is the chemical name of adenine? What is the chemical name of adenine? Chemical name of adenine is 6-amino purine. 6-amino purine. Sorry, 6-amino purine. Okay, so what you will add here? Here you will add what? Amino group. Now this structure is for what? This structure is adenine. Now we will go for the sugar. Now we will go for the sugar. So students, the sugar is always a pentose sugar, normally ribose or sometimes deoxyribose. See, this is the structure of ribose. the structure of ribose. If I will erase one oxygen from here, this will become deoxyribose. Okay, so this is the aliphatic way I have shown. But nature, the sugar is not like that. Always this aldehyde group attacks this alcohol group. Always in nature, this aldehyde group attacks this alcohol group, forms a hemiacetal group, forms a hemiacetal group. So what happens? The oxygen moves to there. So now see, this is a ring structure. In this ring structure, suppose this is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbon. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbon. See, the number 5 carbon is outside the ring. The number 5 carbon is outside the ring. So what will be there? See, what is attached to carbon number 1? H, OH. See, H, OH. Oxygen out. So H, OH. एक number. दो number. H, OH. Number 3, H, OH. See. But number 4, this OH is gone for number 1. What is left? CH2OH and H. This is your 5 number carbon. This is the complete structure of sugar. Students, you may follow book or pause the video to draw the figure. I am showing you just how to draw, but a good figure you will find in any book. Okay, you can see here or any book. You can pause the video and draw the figure. So this is the structure of your sugar. This is ribose sugar. If you erase an oxygen, this will be deoxyribose sugar. So now we will see how to form a nucleoside, that is your adenine. Now to see how to draw a nucleoside. Now we will see how the nitrogen base is attached to the sugar. Here I am drawing the skeleton. I am not putting the exact statues, formulas, but I am showing the skeleton. See, on the number 1 carbon, there is a OH group, which was in the below side when you have drawn the previous figure, because see, the CH2OH and OH are two bulky molecules and they can not withstand due to the hindrance, steric hindrance. So the OH comes to below, but during reaction the OH come to the proper place because it is a few seconds matter. Okay, now the OH and H makes a bond. Now the OH and H makes a bond. So I am seeing the structure. This is your adenosine. This is your adenosine. Okay. If you want to add phosphorus, what you will do here? Here is CH2OH. You will add what? An OH. So this OH and this OH will make a bond. In this way, you will add what? 3 phosphorus. You will add what? 3 phosphorus. Okay. So this is for ATP. This is your adenosine. See, this much is your adenosine. And you add what? 3 phosphate. See, if I will release out this, what will remain? ADP. And this is what? Why pi? Because see, with this phosphorus, carbon is present. But with this phosphorus, no carbon is present. Therefore, we mention ATP when breaks, it releases to ADP plus pi. So students, give your suggestion below the video. There is a link where there is a number. There are online classes also. You can join through that WhatsApp group, and you can also, if you need more videos, comment on the below the video. Okay, thank you for seeing this video.